As spring blooms, your front door offers the first glimpse of your home's personality. Explore these top spring front door decor ideas, meticulously curated to infuse your porch with style, charm, and the vibrant spirit of the season. Quintessential spring welcome. Embrace simplicity with a wicker basket filled with daisies on a salmon pink door, radiating cheerful vibes and inviting guests into your spring sanctuary. Vibrant Forsythia Cascade. Celebrate nature's awakening with a cascade of sun-kissed forsythia branches against a white door, adding a burst of energy to your entrance. Charming bicycle display. Create a whimsical scene with a vintage pink bicycle adorned with hydrangeas, offering a storybook-like welcome to your guests. Daisy Delight. Elevate your doorway with a container overflowing with white and yellow daisies, infusing rustic charm and vibrant energy into your porch. Serene Blue Entryway. Welcome guests with a serene blue door complemented by a soft pink floral wreath, exuding tranquility and chic elegance. Graceful greetings. Embody understated elegance with dual doors adorned with delicate wreaths, inviting guests into a realm of timeless charm. Window basket of blooms. Add depth to your entrance with a window basket filled with lush peonies, marrying privacy and beauty in a unique spring display. Classical Spring Majesty. Merge classical elements with seasonal freshness using a wreath of delicate white blossoms encircling a vintage lion door knocker. Rustic Blossom Charm. Capture rustic elegance with a wreath of wild white flowers tied with burlap ribbon, adding a touch of countryside allure to your home. Warm welcome. Extend a heartwarming welcome with a sign surrounded by a wreath of soft roses and greenery, embodying the homely spirit of the season. Bold and beautiful. Make a statement with rich purples and golds adorning a soft pink door, creating a regal entrance that leaves a lasting impression. Delicate whispers. Opt for gentle elegance with a wreath of soft white blooms and greenery, whispering a serene welcome to visitors. Fresh geranium elegance. Enhance your porch with a rich array of red geraniums in a rustic basket, exuding effortless sophistication against a classic black door. Dual wreaths on pink. Frame your entrance with dual wreaths featuring a blush of pink and green on pink doors, creating a balanced and inviting ambience. Modern floral chic. Blend modern aesthetics with natural beauty using a wreath adorned with wooden beads and vibrant flowers, adding a contemporary touch to your entrance. Tulip tranquility. Hang a basket of pristine white tulips, symbolizing the tranquility and new beginnings of spring, for a serene and elegant front door display. Transform your front door into a captivating focal point with these curated spring decor ideas, infusing your porch with style, charm, and the essence of the season. Embrace the beauty of spring and welcome guests into your home with warmth and elegance.